With me using this filter. Okay, can I use this headband? No. Okay. Okay, can I use this toner? Maybe. Yeah. Okay, can I use this toner? Naturally? No. Okay, can I use this ordinary serum? Yep. Okay, can I use this Arbonne facial mist? Yep. Okay, can I use these Glow Recipe Blur Drops? Yep. Use this moisturizer? Yes. Can I use this facial mist? No. Great. Can I use this sunscreen? Never. Okay, now we're moving on to makeup then. Okay, can I use this Ilia mascara? This is my mascara. Can I use this e.l.f. mascara? Okay, this is just a base mascara, but... So, can I clean this up? Yeah. Can I use this FanFast mascara? Yep. Okay, can I use this e.l.f. blush? No. Can I use this mini Rare Beauty blush? Also no. Can I use Benetint? No. Okay, can I use this e.l.f. blush? Absolutely. Okay, we get to wear blush. Okay, can I use Benetint for my lips? Yep. Okay, can I wear this for Fridays? Indeed. Okay, finally, can I wear this perfume? This one? Can I also use this? Bye.